I have a competitor workflow that I would love to share. And you're all able to see this, right? Okay. So a lot of the workflows that I have, again, there was a front-facing piece to this. So a lot of the workflows I have in the back end are super complicated. I'm like, let me just redo one for the sake of this. But this competitor workflow is very simple, right? So you put in a target domain. This would be the domain of one of your competitors. Ideally, a direct competitor, meaning they sit in the same category. You have the same feature set. You guys serve the same target audience. So you'd put the domain in here and then you would run it. So what this does is it'll run through the internal knowledge base first. Because again, if you have any internal documentation around who your competitors are, what they do and who they serve, this is where this would come out at. So it searches the internal knowledge base. If it doesn't find anything there, it will start searching externally through Perplexity. And then just to show you like what the steps look like, you are an elite competitive intelligence analysis with 15 plus years of product research. And it just goes through the whole thing. And there's an entire prompt in here that just goes through everything from like market gaps to what are their pain points or what our audiences or their prospects saying negatively about them. This is great information to give to the product team as well to be able to fill those gaps. And then when we come down further, here's just an output from Perplexity that kind of is just like an executive summary of what we're looking for in terms of like market research and things like that. And again, I don't like the way Perplexity does its output. Like I like the way Claude does its output. So what I do is once the output is done from Perplexity, I'll take it and then organize it into Claude and then create like a complete competitor assessment. So it has like an executive summary, it talks about it, company profile, a ton of different information, features laid out, just a ton of stuff. And then from here, I have that to continuously pull from, right? So when I start doing the bottom of funnel articles, the AI has context on not just my company, but my competitors' companies as well.
Right.
So that's one of the things that I guess a simple flow, again, the rest of them are like a little bit complicated, but that's a simple one.